course, we've only got 4 more competitors after these two. There's a 722.
Most of them will start the solve usually around the 10-second mark.
Which is exactly how long Matthew just took there. Another quick solve from Matthew. 829.
A low 8 from Matthew. Shake of the head. He knows he can do better. Of a lot of rotations. He did a Y2 rotation in his previous solve, which is a bit of a strange choice. It's Matthew Ban with solve number 4 and drops a 962.
Matthew Ban solve 4. V-perm. V-perm. 899, matching Lennon's 899 from before.
The lucky numbers, what can I say?
Far first.
Solve number 5 for Matthew Ban.
And that's quick. That's 748.
That's what we want to see.
So Matthew jumps into the lead.